Tiger's minds why this, the hydrogen peroxide reacts with this, with manganese dioxide. So why does it happen? Why hydrogen peroxide reacts with manganese dioxide? So let's check it out. Are you excited? So let's check it out. So we're going to have some experiment. So first we pour some little amount of hydrogen peroxide, and lastly we'll add some some manganese dioxide. Okay, I'll just start it for better reaction. So what's happening here? So what's happening here? You can see the bubbles. You can see the bubbles. You can see the bubbles. And the smoke, and it is an exothermic reaction. And the jar is getting hot, and smoke is coming out. It's very hot. You can see that there's bubbles are coming out, and the jar is getting hot. Oh, so why this is happening is because when we put this hydrogen peroxide with manganese dioxide, the manganese dioxide is a catalyst. So it catalyzes the hydrogen peroxide and decomposes it into water and oxygen, and the oxygen is coming out from this reaction, and some water is generating here, and the reaction is exothermic, so the water is vaporing out. You can see the smokes and the bubbles, and it's too hot to handle it. You can see the smoke. If you enjoyed this video, you can like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos. So for this time, goodbye.